So today I'm going to show you how to use the new palette builder on the Maskcara Beauty website. This is an awesome new tool that I'm really excited to show you guys how to use. So go ahead and click the palette builder tab on the new Maskcara Beauty website and go ahead and come to this page. So when it comes to building your palette, you have four options when it comes to sizes. You have your quad, you have your hack stack, you have your mini double decker, and you have your double decker. Each one has their own pros and cons. I personally absolutely love the double decker. It has tons of space. It gives you two sides to work with. That way you can do powders and creams. It's a great combination. For right now, for this example, we're going to start off with a hack stack though. So first, now you're going to go and you're going to pick your design. I like the Celle de Mer just because I love the really pretty pink. So then I'm going to go in, I'm going to pick my highlights. I'm a 2 highlight girl. I use White Peach and Aura, so I got to drop both of those in there. And then I'm going to go after my contour. I use shadow both for my eyebrows and for my contouring all over my face. So this is a great color for me. Next, I'm going to go pick my blush. One of my absolute favorite mascara blushes is the Nude. It took me a long time to find this color. I'm obsessed with it. It is so great for building. It's great for every skin tone. If you haven't tried it, you absolutely need to. You cannot forget about your illuminator. I love Honey. Honey is great for my skin tone. I tried Pearl for a while. Honey seems to work better. I think Honey looks great on everybody personally. So if you haven't tried Honey, maybe give it a try. So now I'm going to move on to my powders. I always have Cayman and the Vanilla Dust in my palette. I use them for everything. I use Vanilla Dust under my eyes to help set them. It looks great. So after I've put my creams and my powders in, I can move on to my eyeshadows. I have lots of different eyeshadow preferences, but first off, Sabrina is always a good neutral. Great bringing out your eyes, highlighting your eyelids. It's great to go with. Then I go with Bright Eyes. Bright Eyes is always a go-to for me too. I really like the shimmery copper color of it. It kind of looks like a penny on your eyelid, if that makes any sense. But if you look at this, your palette's full. I like having more than just that. So let's upgrade to the mini double decker. That gives us 8 more slots to fill, or with eyeshadows, or 4 if you're just doing creams. So let's move these 2 eyeshadows over so we have a little bit more space to work with. Because nobody just wants 2 eyeshadows, you want more than 2. So let's go pick some more eyeshadows to add. I really like Mama. That's a really good one. But on Wednesdays, that's a really fun one to play with. I think that looks good with my eye color, which is Hazel. I also really like Bend and Snap. It's kind of a shimmery pinky purple color. That's another good one. So now that we have those, I've still got 6 eyeshadow slots or 3 cream spots left. So I have a couple options. I can add more eyeshadows, I can leave them empty, or I can add something else. I personally like having multiple blushes because some days I might be feeling more neutral, some days I might be doing a blog photo shoot and I want something more bold, and I love Black Cherry for that. Black Cherry is great for when you want to be bold. It's a great lip color, it's a great cheek color, it's just a great overall color. So now I have 4 spots left, but as you can see, when you drag over the pieces that you have in your compact, it'll show you what you actually have in there, which is great. So then I have those 4 empty spots left that I'm just going to leave. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see everything that you've put into your palette, which I love. You can see exactly how much each thing costs, you know exactly what's in there. What's great too is while you're in here, you can decide, you know, I really don't want to keep the Bend and Snap, for example. So you can just X that off. It comes out of your cart. Great. Now you can add the entire thing to your cart. Done. So easy. Now you don't have to worry about scrolling through things and finding the right thing or anything. It's all right there. So now you can go view your cart and see what you've got in there. Another great thing about the new website is all of the details that they've put into this. You can actually see a detailed description of every single item you have in your cart on the My Cart page. I absolutely love that. And you can take things out, you can add things, you know exactly what you're getting. So let's say, I'm a brand new, buying this stuff for the first time. I have my palette built. I want some brushes. I need some brushes, maybe some skincare. My absolute favorite brush is the 30-second hack brush. You can do anything with this brush. And because you're working with creams, you can dip in one and then dip in the other, and you're not mixing anything. Your face isn't going to look ridiculous if you put blush on one cheek with one side of the brush and then you put some contour on it. You're not going to get red everywhere. So that's great. The other nice thing is you can just click the add to cart. It will be added to your cart. You can see the increase in both the number of items in your cart and your total amount. So then if you keep scrolling, you can add more tools. The eyeshadow everything brush is also a great brush if you're buying eyeshadows. I cannot live without my Perfector sponge. By the way, if you're buying Perfector sponges, be sure to get one every 4 months because they get kind of gross and you need to replace them. So now we can head to view our cart and see what we've all got in there. There are quite a few things for $260, I think. I don't think you can get $260 worth of makeup and get this much stuff anywhere else. So like I said earlier, you can scroll through and you can see everything that you've put in your cart, including those brushes and the Perfector. So then in order to get your free compact, you need to proceed to checkout. So just go ahead and press on that button and you'll be brought to this page. If you've already created an account, you'll be able to sign in. If you haven't, you can create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my customer account, and it's going to take us to the page where I get to pick my free compact. Like I said, I put enough items into my palette that I am able to pick a free compact. So I'm going to pick that Seldamar one, which I absolutely love. And now it's been added to my cart, but if you notice, the cart amount does not go up. So we're going to head back to that. We're going to say, take me back to checkout. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see at the very bottom of this that the compact has been added to your cart, but there has not been an addition in the total for your cart, which is great. So now we can click proceed to checkout and it will take us to the checkout page. And again, you can just sign in. If you've already signed in, you're good. It'll have all your information in there. All you have to do is enter your credit card information and you're good to go. So that's the new palette builder.